Hi GKE. I hope you guys are enjoying Bible studies. I'm gonna actually try to make this a very short video. I just wanted to explain to you guys how to sell the Agape Night tickets. As you know, I work late and I also go to school, so I'm unable to be there. So let's go. These are the tickets for Agape Night. They are printed, they are ready to go. I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, now, if you are selling to one person, make sure you mark the single box. If you are selling it to a couple, make sure you write the couple box and let them know that they have to bring this ticket to Agape Night. It has the time. Please, whoever you invited, or if it's just you that's buying the ticket, make sure you guys are on time. Remember, we rented this place, so we are on a timely manner. So we have to be on time, we have to start on time, and we have to finish on time. So we start at 7:30 sharp, not Haitian time, American time, okay? And we also have the address on the tickets, which is the Miramar Enrichment Center. It's right here by the house. It's not that far. Last year we had it in Silver Lake, so we're doing it closer so that way we can get more people. Now, each envelope has 5 tickets. If you choose to just buy your ticket, you can do that with Pastor Ernest, Fernan. If you see me during the week, you can do that as well. But if you know that you're gonna invite people, this is what you need. Now, each envelope has 5 tickets. Inside the envelope, you're gonna find a paper. Now, this paper is very important. I don't want you guys to just sell the tickets and we don't know who's coming. I need a head count. So whoever you sell the tickets to, I need you to make sure they write their name. I need you to get their phone number and get their email address if they have one. Now for the phone number, I'm going to be sending out text messages to remind them April 27th is Agape Night. Email, I'm going to create something online where we can also send it to them that way. We're going to post it on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, whatever you guys use. So make sure that this is what we receive when you sell all 5 of your tickets, okay? If you also need more, just let us know. We'll go ahead and give it to you. Remember, this entire month, we want to try to sell all tickets. I need this list so I can make the guest list. Now, they have to be on the list to come inside Agape Night. If you have extra guests that didn't buy a ticket, they can pay at the door if they choose to. But I'm going to be making a list of all the tickets that you guys sold. We're going to be calculating the money that we have, and then we're going to create that guest list. I hope you guys are excited just as much as I am. It's the 2nd annual Agape Night. The first one was beautiful. It came out great. And this year, I know God is just going to bless this ministry and everyone. The message is unlocking the mysteries of marriage. You guys have been seeing the videos on Sunday. I know some of you guys are not able to attend, but I'm excited. Thank you so much for those of you that supported us. Pastor Ernest and Fernan are actually going to approach you on a private time to let you know about your tickets and your entry into Agape Night. We got you, we got you. We appreciate you guys, and God bless you all. Enjoy it, and make sure you pay attention to Bible study. For the book of 1 Corinthians is amazing. And if, as a reminder, if you guys want to join us on Monday for theology class, we break it down into more detail, and I think we all need that to have a better understanding and a clear understanding of the word. All right, God bless. Love you guys.